Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Another technical analysis for BTC and wag na nga nating patagalin pa. Daily time frame is nag-form siya ng doji candle. So, above average yung volume and may kita natin palaki ng palaki yung buyers. But what happened is umuuntog lang siya sa trend line natin. So, silipin natin yung possible scenario sa lower time frame. So what happened is, nagkaroon tayo ng breakout sa trendline resistance natin and currently nagpo-pullback yung BTC. So what we expect, if i-respect niya itong trendline support natin and susubok magbasag ng 36K is possible magkaroon ulit tayo ng another higher high. And then validation natin, still ito yung another support area natin for change direction but still respected pa rin yung trend line natin na support area sa big picture. So always wait pa rin natin yung breakout either here or trend line resistance natin or horizontal resistance since medyo matigas to. But the moment na basagin ni BTC yan is possible magkaroon ulit tayo ng rally.